Alright, it's been a while. As you should know, this is my 1985 Chevrolet Celebrity with the 2.8 V6 2-barrel carburetor. It's automatic. Front wheel drive. This is going to be a little video. Cherry Bomb exhaust. Went and bought a Cherry Bomb from AutoZone the other day. 23 bucks for the whole thing. Bought a clamp, put it on there, clamped her down, and I'm gonna go fire it up for a cold start and let you see what she sounds like. Alright, so quite a couple things has changed in here. I have a tack. My radio went completely out on me. Used to, it would only it would mess up and not play on the left side if I wasn't mistaken, and you would bang the dash a couple times and it would come back in. All four speakers would work, no problem. And then say you're going down the road and you hit a bump in the road, well, it knocks it right back out. And I got in it one day and went to go turn it on, and it was black like it is right now. You turn it on and all it do was static. Nothing would display, not a thing. So I went ahead and took the fuse out, so it's gone, and I'll have to go and get another radio. And I've heard the way you take the radio out, you have to take this whole wood grain trim piece all the way off. There's clips. You have to take the glove compartment out, squeeze the tabs, that comes right out. And then there's like these 13 millimeter little nuts that come off that hold this panel right here on. Once you get that off, the whole thing comes out. Then you get over here, and there's a problem I ran into right here. The cigarette lighter has a little nut on the back of it that holds it into this panel, and I can't get this panel off until I get the cigarette lighter out. And that nut won't come off by hand, of course. I can't get no tools in there whatsoever to get it out. I've took the ashtray out to get it to it, and I still can't get to it. It doesn't help any. And then they say that you have to take the headlight switch, you pull it out or something like that, and you turn it and it pops out or something. I'm not sure on that. If you know more about it, that would really help me out. Just let me know. Leave it down in the comments. But anyways, let's go ahead and fire it up. A little cold start. It says it has 29,000 miles. Probably about 129,000 or 229. Not sure on that. Oh, the lights come on. My oil light doesn't come on anymore. I'm kind of a little skittish about that. I don't know if it's a bulb or if it's actually my switch. I've replaced the switch before, so I'm not sure. I'll have to. It's probably more likely a bulb. Anyways, Cherry Bomb exhaust. Oh, she died. Let me go ahead and set my phone down, and I'll set the camera down here so you can see it. Hopefully you can. Alright, as long as my phone don't fall, which it probably will, and I'm sorry if that happens, but I'm going to go fire it back up and let you hear that exhaust. warm up a little bit, and then we'll idle her down and do a little couple revs. This right here is basically what you get on a low idle sitting at a red light. If you ask me, it sounds pretty damn good. Even though it sounds that good, I'm not sure 100% if I'm going to keep the cherry bomb or not. I'm thinking about putting Flowmasters on it and putting duals on it and seeing how that sounds. But as you always know, if I ever make a video, if I ever do that to this car, you'll get a video of it showing that I put Flowmasters on it. But that rumble gets me every time. So basically it was $23 for the glasspack cherry bomb with a clamp right down there. As you can see, the shiny right down there. And that was about $3 for that clamp. Tightened it down on the exhaust, and she ain't going nowhere. It's hot. Let's go get it some revs. Alright, there's your little rev. I'm not going to rev it too much. The car is still kind of cold. It's not good to rev an engine that's cold, especially one that's carbureted. You can end up blowing something like a head gasket or a valve cover gasket. I've seen it, and I've kind of done it once or twice. At least once. But anyways, there is my 1985 Chevrolet Celebrity with the 2.8 V6 two-barrel carburetor with a glasspack cherry bomb exhaust on the end. So this video pertainingly goes for a Chevy S10 with the same 2.8 in a way. Basically any Chevrolet GM model that has the 2.8 in it. Anyways, if you have any questions at all, any comments, please leave them in the bottom. I'd really appreciate it. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.